Welcome to the BizFlow Tutorials video series on range management. In this video, we will cover group bookings in the BizFlow software. What is group booking? Group booking refers to the process of booking an entire bay, which may consist of multiple lanes. For example, a bay may have 4, 5, or 10 lanes, depending on the setup. In facilities with multiple ranges or bays, each bay can accommodate a certain number of shooters per lane, for example 2 to 3 shooters per lane. When a corporation or a group wants to reserve an entire bay, group booking allows them to do so efficiently. Understanding lane organization. To enable group bookings, you must first organize your lanes into groups, bays, and ranges. Follow these steps. Navigate to Resource or Setup Manage Users and Resources. And go to the Resources tab. You will see multiple lanes categorized into groups such as VIP Bay, Statesman Bay, Patriot Bay, and Tactical Range. You are welcome to categorize them as you please. Go to the fourth tab on the top, Groups. This is where you can create, rename, or manage groups. You can also create a new group within the Resources tab by opening a particular resource such as VIP4 and change the group the resource belongs to. You may also use the Add New button to create a new group. You can adjust the order in which groups appear under the Groups tab. Simply drag and drop groups to rearrange them. For example, if you want VIP Bay to appear first, move it to the top under the Groups tab and save the sequence. You may also rearrange the order of groups in the Resources Management tab by dragging and dropping. Once groups are configured, go to Calendar. The groups are displayed in the predefined sequence: VIP Bay, Statesman Bay, Patriot Bay, Tactical Range, etc. If you want to change the sequence in which the groups appear in the calendar, go back to Resources Groups and rearrange the sequence. The calendar will reflect the updated order. Creating group booking services. Navigate to Setup, Manage Services, compare single lane versus group booking. Single lane reservations such as range reservation 1 to 3 shooters allows selecting an individual lane for booking. If you go to the Resource tab, you will notice that the service allows selecting one out of many lane options, whereas group bookings are designed for reserving an entire bay. Creating group booking services. Define services like Statesman Bay booking 4 hours, Statesman Bay booking 2 hours, Patriot Bay booking. You are welcome to name them and define their hours as you please. Set pricing based on bay size. For example, VIP Bay has 3 lanes while Patriot Bay has 5 lanes. Under the Resources tab, enable Allow Group Booking. Select the group instead of individual lanes. If pricing is uniform across all bays, create a single service for all bay bookings. Online booking and customer process. Categorize bay bookings separately and make them easier to find. You will notice in the customer view, bay bookings are clearly separate. You will also notice that the pricing is clearly displayed. Select the desired bay and time slot. Click Next to proceed to log in. Once logged in, the customer is directed to checkout. Additional instructions or forms can be embedded to collect necessary details for the particular service, such as Patriot Bay booking, in the back end. Once you choose a bay booking service, and go to the Forms tab. In the customer page, enable Pay Later or require full partial payment upfront. Once the booking is complete, go to the calendar and refresh the page. You will see that the entire bay is booked. Here, you may add the additional shooter's details to the booking. Ensure that all customers have been onboarded and have signed any necessary waivers. Backend bookings. To create a group booking in the backend, click on an available time slot and lane on a bay that allows group bookings such as Statesman Bay. Click on New Appointment, select the group booking, fill the necessary details and click Save. You will see that a group booking has been completed and multiple lanes have been booked. This tutorial covered how to configure and manage group bookings in BizFlow, from organizing lanes into groups to setting up services and enabling online reservations. Thank you for watching.